once you start arbitrage trading, there's no going back because the money is on a daily. See, I'll tell you for free. One of the sustainable ways I've found online to make money is through arbitrage trading. Because on a poor day, you're making 10,000 naira. On a good day, you're making above 100k. And that's on a daily basis because the opportunities present itself every time. Like my previous video, I've told you guys to get exchanges, right? Exchanges that you need for this business. So if you want to start a business, you have to get it right first. You have to get every requirements met. So now if you have all these exchanges, let me show you one way to make money today. Today. No, not tomorrow, not next tomorrow. I'm showing you, like, because when we say it, we show it practical. If it's not practical, people don't believe it. So if you have Mex and get IO, go to your Mex right now. Go to your Mex right now. I will show you how you can make over 10,000 naira depending on the capital you're using. As a minimum of 10,000 naira depending on the capital you're using, bro. So go to your Mex first. First of all, go to your Mex and search for this coin, Evo. See, the price exploitation comes every time. So you have to do this ASAP. So search for Evo. Let it load. Evo USDT. Then select. The network is a bit sluggish, right? So select Evo USDT. Then go on buy. Don't worry, I'll show you how this works. Now, you can see the current price of Evo is 0.0001256, right? And you can see the orders here 0.012608, 0.0. Just put your order and just buy at the current price. Just buy, if you have, depending on the capital you have, $1,000 or $100 or $10, any amount you have, but let's put $100. Then you copy this stuff, right? So we'll check the price first before we move forward. Remember, we are checking the price before we go ahead. So we are buying this at 0.1. So the order we enter here, this order we enter here, and we wait for it until it fulfills, right? Network is a bit slow. I don't know what is doing with what's going on with my network. So pardon the glitch. So but this will update soon because of network. So just copy this, right? Like I told you, copy it. Remember the balance you're using here is $100. Now go over to your get IO ASAP and let it load up. Network is a bit slow. Pardon me. It's not my fault. Network providers are fucking up in this country. So let's wait for it to load. So now go to this search area. Go to this search area and search for, remember the name, Evo, right? You can see Evo USDT here. This is Evo USDT. Currently over 44% increase. You can see the thing is declining. I don't know if you saw it, the chart. See the price here. See the price here. See the price here. See the price here. See the price. So the thing is pumping here. So you just go over to this area. Remember what we posted? We copied $100 worth of Evo. So we paste it here and see how much we've made. That's $151 ASAP. That's if you bought it there at that price and sell it here at this price, then you have $151. Now let's check the exchange rate. What $151 is currently in the Nigerian market, right? So $51 times the current exchange rate. Let me just make it at 1.5. I don't know what it is right now. So it's 5,000 naira profit within few minutes. Only why I say few minutes is because you have to wait for it to fulfill here. You can see the price is at 106 if you want to buy very fast. But if you are buying very fast, the profit margin will be lesser. You understand? So okay, let me just check it with this current price. Start to move if you are doing it ASAP. Now, if you want to buy at this current price immediately, so it will be $128 that this amount of stuff will be $128. So it will cost $128. Now let's minus $128 from $151 and see the price difference as well. $151 minus $128. We see how $23 times 1.5 That's at 4,000 naira, which is still very good. Now let's check the um gas fee, because that's very important before you send it out. This is I'm currently on Mex, right? So let me check the gas fee to send this out. It's right. So go to withdraw. Remember the name of the coin we are looking for is Evo. So you can see the logo is something with the one on Bybit, the Vomo, the Vomo, that's the name. Then the short name is this thing, Evo. So you go to click on chain withdrawal, because that's what we're using. We're using on chain. Now paste the withdrawal address. No need, just want to check the gas fee. So the network fee is 1,281 Evo. That's, you can see it here, 1,281 Evo. So let's go and check how much it is. See, sometimes if you are telling people that money is easy to be made, they think it's cap. So 1,284, right? So that's basically 0.1 cent. So yeah, you're making over 54,000 naira, and 200 naira to 300 naira is the gas fee, bro. See, if you're not doing arbitrage trading or you're not following my channel, you are messing up, because I drop arbitrage signals and updates every single time or every single week, because not every single day, every single week on this channel. So you have to subscribe to this channel so you get these updates every time. So if you're not following my channel, please actually do, because this is what I normally post: how to make money online, how to find opportunities online that will earn you money. See, one of the easiest ways is through arbitrage trading. If you have the capital, you can even start as low as possible. With $10, you're already up. You're already started with this stuff. You understand? You get, so you can see the gas fee is very low. The coin is dumping here. It's not updating at this place, but it's updating at Bybit. So sometimes if you're doing arbitrage trading, you have to be fast as well. So before the price is correct, so you have to check before doing it as well. You understand? So you have to check, do your due diligence as well before going ahead, because the price updates, that's what arbitrage trading is. But regardless, I drop updates about arbitrage trading bi-weekly, but because of the request, maybe I will be dropping it on a regular basis so people can actually get to see the opportunities, because I get opportunities every single day. I can't even do all. You understand? I can't even do all. Um, so if you're new to the channel, please do like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification, because I drop these updates. I'll try to be dropping it on a daily basis so you people can follow it up. You understand? But I will tell you for free, arbitrage trading is one of the sustainable ways to make money on the internet right now. So yeah, let's go.